Hi, let's make a vegan wrap today. First, you need to get some the fermented vegetable. This is my own fermented vegetable. I will show you next video. And cut it because this make the wrap ready to next level. And tomatoes, lettuce, celery, onion. So chop all the vegetables. Also, avocado is necessary. And chickpea is really good veggie protein. And mushrooms must be cooked with salt and peppers. And rub all the things together. So now let's make my secret almond butter dressing. I use the organic almond butter and olive oil and mix very good. And black pepper, apple cider vinegar. Also, you can put the lemon. I forgot it. That's really good. Put it inside and salt mixed. And you need to put the garlic and ginger inside because this is full dressing. And just put a top of the wrap and